Imagine a world where the internet is no longer controlled by giant corporations, but rather by individuals like you and me. A place where your data is truly yours and transactions happen seamlessly, securely, and without a middleman. This is the promise of Web 3.0. But what is it exactly, and how is it transforming the way we interact with the internet? Web 3.0 is often described as the next evolutionary step of the internet. To understand it, let's take a quick trip back in time. Web 1.0 was the beginning, a static world where you could only read information. Think of it like reading a newspaper online. Then came Web 2.0, the interactive web we know today, where social media, apps, and platforms allow us to create and share content. But there's a catch. These platforms own and control the data. Every post, every like, every click is harvested by tech giants. But Web 3.0, it changes everything. Imagine a web where you own your data, where privacy is built in, and where decentralized networks power interactions. No more relying on Facebook or Google to control your identity. Blockchain is the key to this new internet. Blockchain provides the foundation for Web 3.0, enabling decentralized applications, or dApps, that run on peer-to-peer networks. These apps aren't owned by any one entity, and transactions happen directly between users, secured by cryptography. Let's go deeper. Think about the power of your brain, your neurons communicating through a vast, interconnected network. Now imagine the internet doing the same, with every interaction forming a neural-like web that grows, adapts, and evolves in real time. That's the potential of Web 3.0, a living, breathing network that learns and responds to user input, but without a central authority controlling the flow of information. This new era brings a revolution in how we think about trust and value. With blockchain, smart contracts, and decentralized finance, DeFi, we no longer need banks to hold or transfer our money. We can trade assets, verify identities, and even create digital art that no one can duplicate, all without a middleman. It's like unlocking parts of your brain you never knew existed. Suddenly, the possibilities are endless. Let's pause for a second. Close your eyes and picture this. You're scrolling through the internet, but now you're in control. Every click feels like a personal decision. Every interaction, a meaningful connection, with no one watching over your shoulder. That's the future we're talking about, where every transaction, every move online is secure, private, and uniquely yours. But the most exciting part, Web 3.0, isn't just about financial systems or data ownership. It's about creating a more immersive and personalized web experience. Imagine virtual worlds that adapt to your preferences, artificial intelligence that learns your behaviors without invading your privacy, and decentralized social networks where your identity isn't up for sale. This could be the future of online communities, a digital space where creativity flourishes, trust is built into the system, and the web becomes a place where you truly belong. Now, you might be thinking, is this all too good to be true? Sure, Web 3.0 is still in its infancy, and there are challenges. Scalability, energy consumption, and regulatory hurdles need to be addressed. But just like the brain adapts and grows stronger with every new connection, the technology behind Web 3.0 is evolving. Developers, innovators, and dreamers are working tirelessly to make this vision a reality. Take a deep breath and imagine for a moment. What could this future mean for you? A web where your digital identity is in your hands. A world where transactions are seamless, trustless, and secure. A space where creativity knows no bounds and the internet evolves just like the neurons firing in your brain, adapting to every new experience. This is Web 3.0, and it's not just the future of the internet, it's the future of how we connect, create, and share with the world. The journey is just beginning.